Corbin, what do you observe about the balloons?
They're not touching. Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures Learning. I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hello.
And today we're going to be doing the stack electricity balloon experiment. Stay tuned.
So Corbin, what do we need for our experiment?
2 balloons.
All right, 2 inflated balloons.
So you need 2 strings and they're both 30 inches.
All right, 2 strings that are 30 inches long.
And you need some tape. And you also need a wool or fleece sweater.
So the first thing we did was we taped the 2 strings about 1 inch apart on the door frame up here. So see, the strings are hanging down. So what we did was I tied the string to the balloons here and they hang just about the same level. All right, and we'll go to the
next step.
And now Corbin is going to rub each balloon onto his fleece sweater for about 10 seconds.
Then we'll see what happens.
So Corbin, what do you observe about the balloons?
They're not touching.
Let's see. Oh, so when he rubbed it on his wool sweater, they're not touching.
Move closer.
Let's see when he tries to pull them closer.
Okay.
Look.
Okay, now let's try this.
Okay, now he's gonna put his hand there. Now his hand doesn't have any static electricity. Oh, so they come together now.
And now they're apart.
Now they're apart. Oh wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
See how the balloons are apart now.
I move them closer.
Yeah, if you move them closer, what happens? Yep, they pull apart because of the static electricity. That is so cool.
I'll move it very close.
If he moves it very close, what happens?
Ooh, move very far.
They move very far apart. So that's the power of static electricity.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember to subscribe.
Bye.